These are the components which are supplied in the Melvelle Traklok kit. You have the reaction plate. We have landings set up for both insulated and non-insulated track. These are for insulated, these are for non-insulated, clip and unclip. We have 2 unclip jaws and 2 clip-up jaws which are sold separately. The bolt settings for the reaction plate are as follows. For use of the reaction plate on insulated track, we set the 2 stops for a dimension between the back face of the nut and the head of the bolt at 32mm, and for the bottom 2 stops, the same dimension should be 39mm. When using the reaction plate on non-insulated track, we set the 2 stop dimensions to 32mm as well, and the bottom 2 stops should be at 35mm. When using the Traklok kit on non-insulated Traklok for both clipping and unclipping, we need to use the appropriate types of landings. These landings are identified by engravings on the top plate of the landing itself. When going from insulated to non-insulated Traklok or vice versa, we need to swap out the landings for the correct type. To do this, we remove 3 socket head cap screws, a front washer plate and a rear retaining plate, 3 cone lock nuts, and then we need to drive out 3 roll pins. We then reinstall the correct type of landing, our 2 plates, drive the roll pins through, and torque the 3 socket head cap screws to 10 Newton meters.
To fit the reaction plate into the machine, it is important that the position of these arms is set to allow clearance between the arms and the jacking screw. The arms are set nearly all the way out, just backed off a fraction, which allows this reaction plate to very easily be inserted